This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Jamie Cold Snow. Beautiful home located in highly desired Tabb School District, near Langley Air Force Base and other military installations. Features 5 bedrooms, one of which is an oversized bonus room that could be used as either a bedroom or additional family room. The 2-story entry welcomes you into this spacious and open floor plan, with great custom details, ample storage, and no wasted space. This home features tall ceilings, lots of large windows, crown molding, and beautiful faux wood blinds throughout. On the first floor you'll find the formal living room or office, family room with gas fireplace, formal dining room, half bath, as well as a large breakfast nook adjacent to the kitchen. The kitchen is filled with beautiful custom cabinets, granite countertops, a built-in desk, and an island with seating area and additional cabinet space. The breakfast nook opens onto a screened porch and backyard patio and deck, for entertaining or just enjoying with the family. The oversized laundry room has space for an additional beverage fridge and ample cabinets for additional storage. All bedrooms and an additional full bath are located on the second floor. The primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and primary bath with large tub, separate shower, and dual vanity. The oversized 5th bedroom/bonus room features a small sitting nook and 2 easy-access storage areas. All bathrooms have been updated and feature granite countertops. Other niceties include a 2-car garage with storage shelving, security system capability, in-ground sprinkler system, and backyard storage shed with electricity. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below.